All right, in this video, we are going to make the About Me page. So there's two ways we can do this. If you have your menu, you can click on your About Me page, and you'll see that it loads up within File Not Found. And about M.me.html, that's the file name we want. Now, if you can't get that because your menu doesn't work, like if you can't highlight this and copy it, then you can go to your rubric and just highlight About Me.html and copy it. Either way, it works. So we need to go to our sandbox and we're going to make a new file. We're going to paste that in aboutme.html. So that's the file we want. Now, if we come to our internet page and if we don't have this About Me and you want to test it out, all you do is come up to the URL, and after your sandbox, I have fifth period because I've got two classes, paste your About Me and hit enter. And then you'll see your page, your About Me page there. Then it says copy this source code and paste it into your About Me file. So I'm going to click on the link, copy my source code by triple clicking. I'm going to open up my About Me page and paste. Now I have to save, Command S, and then go back to the browser and refresh. And it's going to look like this. Internet's running a little slow. It's going to look like this. Now, when this loads, I don't want this dummy text up here. I want my name there. So I've got to find that space, website name right here. So about line 16. And I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to get rid of it. And I'm going to do an H1 tag. And then so when I refresh, now there's that. Let's go back. Find the line of code and copy the next three lines. So find the div class column to div. So I'm going to find this line left column, and then I'm going to copy this code. So here is navigation, here is content, here is left column. So I'm finding this, and then after it, I'm going to copy the next three lines of code from the opening div column to the closing div. So here it is. Here's the next three lines of code. 1, 2, 3. Copy. And then it says paste it below, but above the start right column. So if I paste it down here, I'm below, but I'm not above the start right. So here's start left, here's start right. I'm going to go above the start right and paste. So now I've got these three columns. Now I'm not going to save and refresh. Right now I have two columns, one here and one here. When I save this though, now I'm going to have one column, two columns, three columns. So if I save, Command S, refresh, there are my three columns. So now we're going to locate three images that represent us. We're going to save them to our computer and upload them. So I'm just going to do one real quick. Let me see here. Sailing catamaran. This one looks pretty good right there. This one. All right, so if I right click on this, I'm going to save image as. I can't click on one of these, right click over here. I've got to click on the image and come over to the right and get the thumbnail. I like that one better. Right click, save image as. Now, you want to go ahead and make sure that down here, it has the format as either JPEG, JPG, GIF, GIF, or PNG. I'm going to save on my desktop. Hit save. So that file is loaded on my desktop. And then I'm going to come over to my files and I'm going to upload that file. So upload file here, choose files, navigate to your desktop, select the image, click upload or open, sorry. Then it's going to upload that file. Just loaded mine. Here it is, the hemisphere. And so now what I want to do is I want to use this insert photo tutorial to put that photo that I just downloaded into my web page. So I'm going to copy this code off of the insert photo tutorial. Copy this code, Command C, come back. Now, I've got these three columns. I've got the left column here with the opening, closing div, and the text that says this is where it goes. So I'm going to paste that code that I just copied right here. Now, I don't want the alt, so I'm going to remove alt equals through the double quotes. And I don't want this text in my source because I don't have that image. I'm going to delete that. And what I want is the image tag, the space, src equals double quote, and then greater than symbol. So this is what I want. Then I'm going to take one of my picture files. I'm going to call this cat2 cat2. And if I want to see that picture here, I'm going to type cat2.jpg, save. And when I refresh now, if this is the left column, this one right here, I should see that picture there. So I refresh. There it is. What's my problem though? It's humongous, not just the boat, but the picture. So the rubric here tells me about the width attribute. You can click there, or what you do is on the tag, the image tag, inside of it, so inside of the greater than symbol, I'm going to type width equals 2 double quotes, and in the middle, I'm going to pick a size. And I know that 350 has been working, I think. 350. There you go, 350. Now, if I want to do this for the other images, all I do is I highlight this code, paste it over column 2, paste it over column 3. When I hit save and refresh, now I'm going to have 3 of the same picture. I don't want 3 of the same. So I have to update cat2 to be these other pictures. So I've got steak.jpg, and I've got, let's see, b-ball.jpg. I've already saved those and uploaded them. So when I refresh now, I should see 3 different pictures, all the 250. There you go. So this is how you accomplish the first half of the About Me.